crushes can make the world seem brighter and more exciting. Sometimes a crush can turn into a lifelong friendship instead of a romance. Many guys are secretly sensitive and thoughtful. Men often express their emotions differently, but they still feel deeply. Girls can be fierce and independent while also being compassionate. Women often juggle multiple roles effortlessly, showing incredible strength. Communication is the heartbeat of a healthy relationship. Small gestures of love can have a huge impact on a relationship's happiness. Our subconscious mind influences our behavior more than we realize. Positive affirmations can rewire our brains for success and happiness. The anticipation of seeing your crush can create a rush of excitement. Crushes can inspire us to become better versions of ourselves. Men often value loyalty and honesty in their relationships. Many men find it challenging to express vulnerability due to societal expectations.